In simple terminology, dunning means the reminder notice which issued to the customer from accounting department for the outstanding and due balances. The main motto of this dunning is it helps in reminding the customer to make the payment which he misses on due date. Okay? And SAP has for that SAP has given this dunning option through the program T code of FBMP. And an FICO consultant will configure all the steps to run this program to the T code of FBMP. Okay, and next, documents and documents or invoices covered under dunning. Okay, those are accounts receivable invoices standard, accounts receivable invoices partially paid, invoices which include installments, accounts receivable credit memos, and incoming payments which not based on invoices or vouchers. Can you go to the next page? Yes. Dunning steps. SAP configuration Dunning steps. The first step is create Dunning keys. We define Dunning keys in this step, and Dunning keys limits the Dunning level of an item. And we can create Dunning keys through the below part, that is SPRO, financial accounting new, accounts receivable, unpayable, and business transaction, Dunning, basic setting for Dunning, define Dunning keys. That one only, that one. Yeah, this one only. 195 page, above one. Yeah, define Dunning 194 page. Back page and back page. This one only, this one. In this step, through by going to this part, we have to go to define Dunning keys. Can you go to the next step? Yeah, this one only. In this page, we can select a maximum Dunning levels and can copy, or we can create it by new entries. Okay. And next, define Dunning area through the T code of OB61. Define Dunning areas. This one only, this one. New entries. Yes. We have to select new entries, and company code. We have to give company code and the Dunning area and Dunning text. Means our Dunning area for our company code. We have to mention like that. And next one is third point is define Dunning procedure. To create Dunning text, Dunning level, Dunning charges, and then we have to assign company code in the Dunning procedure through the T code of FBMP. And we can go to through path also. SPRO, financial accounting new, above one. Yes. Okay. This one only. Financial accounting new, accounts receivable, unpayable, business transactions, Dunning procedure, define Dunning procedure. Next page. Yes, we have to double click on the define Dunning procedures button, and then we have to click on the new procedure. We can select 0001 as 4 levels Dunning for every 2 weeks. We have to do like this, and next we have to save that one. Next, fourth step is create Dunning interval in days to Dunning procedures. We determine at which intervals the allocated dunning accounts are done for above page. Yes. This. We determine at which intervals allocated accounts are done for every dunning procedure. During every dunning run, the system then checks whether the run date is at least the number of days, 40 days, since the last dunning run. We keep maintain 14 days. Okay, next we can set these through the path of SPRO, financial accounting new, accounts receivable and payable, business transactions, dunning procedure, define dunning procedure, or through the T code of FBN. Next page. Yes. Yes, we have to give like this. First one is dunning procedure. We need to give our dunning procedure ID and name, text dunning procedure for so and so company, our company name, and dunning interval days, 10 days, number of dunning levels, 4, and line item grace period. We have to take 3, and we have to select standard transaction done procedure tick mark, and then save. And next, fifth step is define dunning charges to dunning procedure. You can do these also in this same C code FBMP. Here we add dunning charges as per the dunning levels. And this is like an administration charges to dump the customer. And the currency INR will be assigned to the during the adding a dunning charges. And the part for this is financial accounting new, accounts receivable, and payable, and business transaction, dunning procedure, define dunning procedure. And in the dunning procedure, click on the charges button. Click on the charges button. Same everything will be given, and we have to give currency INR. Can you go to the next page, Ravana? Hello. Yes, this one. Yes, dunning charges we need to give like below. Dunning level 1, 100 rupees, level 2, 200 rupees, level 3, 300 rupees, level 4, 400 rupees. These are optional. We can give how much amount, that is 50 rupees or 100 rupees or 1000, 2000 like this. This is just example. We have to give like this, and then click on the dunning test. A little bit down. Yes, that one. Dunning test, we have to give company code, and here on. Give the company code, our company code, and we have to select dunning area and separate notice for dunning level. We need to select first one and select one, second one. Tick mark. And next step is, can you go to the now? Yes. Define minimum amounts to dunning procedure. Minimum amounts are customized to charge dunning charge to the customer with reference to the dunning level. A small bit of scroll down. Yes. Keep this go. For this part is financial accounting, SPRO, financial accounting new, accounts receivable and payable, business transaction, dunning procedure, define dunning procedure, or through the T code of FBNP. And in this step, we have to do like this: choose the dunning procedure and click on the choose button and choose minimum amounts. And then we have to give like this: dunning minimum amount 50, and minimum amount for interest 50. Second one is minimum that one minimum amount 75 rupees and minimum amount for interest 75, minimum amount 100, minimum amount for interest 100, and fourth one minimum amount is 125, minimum amount for interest 125. Like this, we have to give, that is our opinion and our option. We can take our own. We have to save in this button. And next one is assign Dunning test and forms to Dunning procedures. In this step, we will discuss about Dunning test and procedure forms which are related to the Dunning procedures. To specify Dunning forms, click on the Dunning test and assign the required forms for Dunning test with reference to the Dunning level. So we will see that one. Go to the path SPRO, financial accounting view, accounts payable and receivable, and business transaction, Dunning procedure, and define Dunning procedure. Next page. Can you go to the next page? Yes, this one. Yes, here we have to give our Dunning procedure and Dunning procedure name, company code, account type B, customer, and we have to give these form IDs. That is F150 underscore B underscore done underscore 01. And second one F150 underscore BE underscore done underscore 01. Third one F150 underscore B underscore done underscore 02. And next one F150 underscore B underscore done underscore 02. So we have to give like this. And next step is define Dunning level to Dunning procedure. Click on the Dunning levels and input days in areas for each Dunning levels. Okay. Next, select always done in legal Dunning procedure for not missing any Dunning notices. Yes, here only. Yes. We can go to the path of FBMP, T code of FBMP, and we will get this screen. We have to give like this Dunning procedure and name of the Dunning procedure name, Dunning level 1, 2, 3, 4, and first Dunning days in area. First one 3, second one 13, and third one 23, and fourth one 33. If you observe these Dunning levels, for every Dunning level, between two Dunning levels, 10 days gap will be there. We should maintain like this. Okay, and we have to select calculate interest button also. And next, we have to select always done, tick mark for all 4 levels, and print all items. We have to select all 4 levels. And next, we have to select always done in legal procedure, tick mark. Next, assign special indicator to Dunning procedure. In this step, we have assigned indicators above page. Yes, keep it. So, choose the Dunning procedure and click choose button and choose the special indicator button. After clicking of special indicator button, Dunning interval days 10 days, number of intervals 4, and line item 3 periods, and interest indicator 01. We have to select 3 tick marks we will below available. And next here we have to select A down payment and F down payment request from customer as well as vendor also, A and F. We have to select like here shown from vendors and customers, A and F. And next step is assign Dunning procedure to customer. Can you go to the small of below? Yes, yes, yes. Assign Dunning procedure to the customer. Now the action to assign Dunning procedure to respective customer. This is a mandatory step to be performed for maintaining Dunning. We can assign this Dunning by the T code of XD02 or FD02. Means we have to go to the customer master. Okay. We have to give the customer ID and press enter like this. It will display like this, and click on the complete code tab. Can you go to the down? Yes. 205 page. 205 page. Above one. Yes. We need to click on the complete code data, and next page. 206. Yes. This one. We have to give input like this in the Dunning data, Dunning procedure. We have to give our Dunning procedure, and last done date we have to give like this, or that will come automatically. We have to give Dunning procedure under the correspondence tab. We have to give. Then select save. We will posting invoice like this FB70. Now we will post one invoice respect to the customers. Like this, we have to go to the FB70. We have to give inputs, customer, invoice date, and amount. Everything is as usual. After giving all of these, select save, and next run Dunning. To run the Dunning, we have to go to the T code of F150. Here we can run Dunning to generate notices. Actually, it is a end user activity. For testing purpose, we will do. And part is SAP Easy Access, accounting, accounts receivable, periodic processing, Dunning, F150. This is the option F150 Dunning. Yes, this one only here. We have to give like this run date, like APP. How inputs will give in the APP? We have to give inputs in here Dunning also. Run date, so and so date, today's date, and identification. And we have to give parameters under the parameters tab, Dunning date, and documents up to, and company code, and we have to give range, customer range from customer to customer, or vendor from vendor to vendor. Otherwise, if you run Dunning only for one customer, we have to we can give single customer ID also. Next, we have to select schedule button. You will get like this output devices LP01 and click continue button. And next, starting date, we have to give starting date. Start time, we have to select start immediately button, and output devices LP01, and then click on the schedule button. Can you go to the down? Okay. Yes. In this. After completion of that one, we will get like this. Like in APP, how we will get, here also we will get parameters were maintained, Dunning selection was scheduled, and Dunning selection is completed. Like this, we will get a message. If you see here, these extract, 2 Dunning notices were generated, of which 2 are sent. Then we will take a sample printout, give LP01. Can you go to the previous page, please? Yes. to see our dunning history, which we have given inputs for the dunning. If you select that one, dunning history, we will give the company code and select execute button and next page, Ravani. Yes, this page only. Okay. Here, if you click on the display dunning notice, we will get like below related to that customer which you have given. How many invoices are pending with that, and what is the date, what is the due date, like that. Everything will come and dunning run date, ID, print, and company code, dunning levels. You see here, done means first dunning, second dunning, dunning levels also. Here it is showing dunning notice. And can you go to the down a small bit? This page only. Lavanya? Yes, this one only. Here, if you click on the print preview, we will get a message. Next page. Can you go to the next page, Lavanya? Yes. We have to give our printer LP01 and continue. Then we will get like below. First dunning letter. Here, company name and everything will come as we have given in earlier. First dunning letter and next page down. Yeah? Yes, this one. Second dunning letter. So and so description and everything will come here like this. This is the final output dunning letter. Okay. If you want to black for dunning for a specific customer, we can do that one also. Why? Because due to some reasons, we need not generate dunning for a specific customer. Above page only 212. Yes, this one only. Define block reasons for dunning notices. What is the meaning of blocking? Means we can block a specified customers from dunning. Why? Because sometimes we have a good relationship with customers or some of our family friends or family relations. Due to that reason, we need not send a dunning letter for those. Okay. In this case, through dunning block option, we can restrict dunning notices to those customers. This is very useful sometimes for company one purpose. In this step, to define reasons for dunning black under the key, they can be entered an item of the account, a customer master. In the customer master, we have to give dunning block. For that, we have to go to the part of SPRO, financial accounting new, accounts receivable and payable, business transaction, and basic settings for dunning and define dunning block reasons. Here, we have to give reason for dunning block. Like that, we have to create and we can use that dunning block for whenever we want. This is all about dunning.